How to change Windows 10 language. Hello Windows 10 users, need to change the language on your system. In this tutorial I'll guide you through the steps to change that. Click on the Start menu and then select Settings, which is the gear icon from the left hand side. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language. In the left sidebar, select Language tab. Click on Add a language and choose the language you want to add to your system. Click on it and then click Next. Once added, click on the language you added and then click Set as Default if you want to change the displayed language. Click on the language you added and then select Options. If the language pack is not installed, click on Download to download and install the language pack. Once downloaded, restart your PC for the changes to take effect. That's it. You've successfully changed the language of display on your Windows 10 system. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Hit the like button if you found this video useful and share it with your friends who might need to change their Windows 10 language. See you in the next one.